ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಷ. ಮಂತ್ ಎಂದರೆ ತಿಂಗಳು. How many months are there in year? 12 months are there in year. Which is the first month of the year? January is the first month of the year. Which is the last month of the year? December is the last month of the year. Which is the sixth month of the year? June is the sixth month of the year. Which is 10th month of the year? October is the 7th month of the year. The second month of the year. Which is the fourth month of the year? April is the fourth month of the year. Which is the seventh month of the year? May is the seventh month of the year. Which is the third month of the year? Celebrating Independence Day. We celebrating Independence Day in August.